Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR strapping tool. So we got our instructions, and this is cool. They actually have a mechanical breakdown of the entire thing. So in the event that you actually want to service this yourself, you can. That's fantastic because I find that most companies are trying to keep all this a secret. The fact that they're putting this schematic in there is actually a very nice thing. We got some tools. Looks like we got some Allens, a screwdriver, and then we got some spare parts. And here is the strapping machine. So we got our tensioner trigger. That is going to spin this wheel to make tension. We got our front lock, and we got our rear lock. So you can see this front lock, that is going to put tension on that tensioning wheel, and the rear lock is going to pull down this foot. We want to release, just pull that guy up. It's fairly front heavy. Got our battery connector there on the back, so that's going to help to balance this guy. Got our battery charger that says it's good for 100 to 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic, and it outputs 3 amps at 14 to 18 volts. Here's our battery. This is an 18 volt. It says that is a 4 amp hour, and that is a clip style lock. And it looks like this does in fact come with 2 batteries. Let's check the charge, and they both come fully charged. So it says we should install the battery and then press and hold for 3 seconds. All right, so we are loaded up, and it says B5. Now if we go to P, that is going to be the tensioning force. So we can change that from 1 to 7. I'm going to leave that at 6. And the instructions, it says that is good for 800 newtons to 4,500 newtons. So that is the difference between 1 and 7. And then if we hit that button again, we go to C. And C is going to set the welding time. So we got 0 to 9. So then if I press this button, you can see that is going to spin that wheel. We want the top side of the strap to be the side that is going to be facing toward the head. And we just grab the handle, pull it up, and slide that in. Press and hold the tension. We can see that is putting quite a bit of tension on that box. So now we go, whoop. There we go, stops on its own. We got a nice, strong, heavy-duty piece of strap. That is a nice solid strap. So overall, that is an excellent machine.